everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about your transformation project. So what this is going to look like is a 4-quadrant drawing. It's going to be the exact same drawing in all 4 quadrants, but all you need to worry about for part 1, and that's the only part I'm going to explain today, is 1 quadrant. In quadrant 1, which is the top corner, top right-hand corner quadrant, you're going to draw a picture. Think connect the dots. Very basic. A house, a butterfly, an ice cream cone, a Steelers symbol. Think about pit basketball. So one of your favorite things, or just something simple. Fruit works, like an apple or an orange or something like that. You're going to draw something very, very simple. So here's what this will look like. On a piece of graph paper, and I don't have it in front of me, but whoever's there is going to show you all these examples that I have. So imagine this is your piece of paper, okay? You're going to break it down into 4 quadrants. This is the one you're going to draw your picture in. This is a rough draft. This will not be the final copy that you turn in. This is a rough draft. When I return on Monday, we will see the final, what you need to do moving forward. So it says, on a graph paper, draw a coordinate plane and number only quadrant 1. So here's what this would look like. You're going to put little dashes here, and you're going to number it. You may do 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to help you figure out where your drawing is. Each of the boxes on the graph paper should be worth 1. Okay? If you want to number every other box, here's what that would look like. You wouldn't write 1, you would skip, so here's 0. You would skip 1, write 2, but it's still covering 2 boxes. You are going to create a drawing, so let me do that now. It must be an actual picture of something. Can you just draw a box? No, it must be something. A house, a car, an apple, an orange, a banana, an emoji, a basketball, a football, whatever. For our purposes, I'm going to make something very easy so that you can just simply see it and then understand what I'm going for here. Okay, I'm going to make the outline of a house. Very simple, but yours is going to be more elaborate than mine, but this is just to show you what to do. So you're going to create a drawing with 15 to 20 ordered pairs or points. If you would like to add more, you can do slightly over that. You cannot go under that amount. You can go slightly over that amount if you would like, but it has to be between 15 and 20 ordered pairs. Now, if you want to decorate the house more when you're finished, that's fine by me, but it just has to stick within the 15 to 20 ordered pairs to begin with. Number your ordered pairs in the order you would want something to draw them. So I would want someone to draw here, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. You're thinking about how you would connect the dots. On the second piece of paper, which is all the coordinates, in the first column, you're going to write down all of your coordinates. So that where it says 1, and then it'll have the coordinates, I'm going to write down where my point 1 is located, which for me is 1, 1. Then where did I go? At the second point, I went to, looks like 1, 3. So I'm going to put 1, 3. The third point I went to, it looks like, for our purposes, I think it was 2.5, 5. We'll just do that to make it even. 2.55. I don't recommend using part of a point, but you may have to stop halfway through a box. Don't stop a fourth of the way through the box. That's just silly, but half the way is fine by me as long as you can understand it. The fourth point is located at 4, 3. And then the fifth point is located at 4, 1. Now, at 4, 1, what did I do? I wanted to go back to my original point. So that's what you're going to do. Draw an arrow, and you're going back to 1, 1, because you don't want to use up those critical spots on your paper. Now, if I wanted to then draw a window, I need to be able to say on my paper, stop. That tells me to pick up my pencil and then draw a window or something else in the picture, okay? So by saying stop, it tells the artist or me following your project that you stopped and picked up your pencil to either continue on to draw a window, a chimney, or something that is not connected to that original point. For Monday, here's what you need done. You need the rough draft of your picture in quadrant 1. You need to number the entire quadrant 1. Do not number the other 3 quadrants, only quadrant 1. Draw your picture, whatever you dream up, and then write the connect the dots coordinates down with the directions that make sense. That's all you need due on Monday. Thank you.